The second model is our hot-selling auto-cleaning function solar streetlight Thermos model. It has the auto-cleaning function of solar panel, so it can keep the solar panel free of dust and cover, and ensure the solar panel charging efficiency. In addition, the internal FAS technology can quickly help users identify which component of the solar panel, the battery, and the LED light and PCB board has problem. If any of these components have problems, the LED lights will flash very quickly, so by this way it can reduce the rate of secondary customer complaints. And moreover, the lighting angle also can be adjustable. For example, here is a bracket and it can adjust the lighting angle.